Vitamin E, chemistry, structure, deficiency, source.
Reporter Mary Angeli P. Pedrell, BS and 1 Abdallah.
The chemistry of vitamin E encompasses a group of 8 lipid-soluble compounds, including 4 tocopherols and 4 tocotrienols, characterized by a chromanol ring and varying side chain. The tocopherols have a saturated phytyl side chain, while tocotrienols possess an unsaturated isoprenyl side chain with double bonds. This compound functions primarily as antioxidants, donating hydrogen atoms to free radicals, thus protecting biological membranes for oxygenated damage. Function of vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin primarily known for its antioxidant properties, which protects cells from damage by neutralizing free radicals. It is crucial for maintaining immune function, supporting the formation of red blood cells, and preventing blood clots by widening blood vessels. Additionally, vitamin E plays a role in cell signaling and metabolic processes, promoting overall cellular health while it may help prevent chronic disease linked to oxidative stress, such as heart disease and cancer. Further research is needed to confirm these benefits. The deficiency of vitamin E is rare. In the United States, deficiency is limited primarily to people with an inborn deficiency of alpha-TP and to those who have fat malabsorption syndromes, and hence are unable to absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Symptoms of deficiency include ataxia, sensory neuropathy, areflesia, and muscle hypertrophy. The source of vitamin E. Most dietary vitamin E comes from vegetable oils. Example, corn oil, olive oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, and canola oil. The vitamins is also found in nuts, wet grain, whole grain products, and